Hello friends, welcome to Knowledge Share. In this video, we are going to see how we can use the PnP ListView control with the React Pagination control. So how we can implement custom pagination using React Pagination NPM module. So in my previous demo, I have shown how to create the context menu and how you can use the PnP paging. And this is a new control from React. I'll be using the same code, but the pagination alone is different, where I'm just using React Pagination and how you can customize it and how you can customize the look and feel of the control. Let us see the demo and then I'll dive into the code. So if you see here, should have identified the screen which is same as my previous demo. The only difference here is, if you can see the pagination style, it is different. It's a rounded pagination and there are no three dots, and you can see the first and the last and also the previous and the next control. So this entire control is the React Pagination control. So I am just leveraging the React Pagination control with ListView to display the paging. So it's a very simple demo. I just want you guys to learn how you can use different controls along with the PnP controls. It's just not only different PnP controls will integrate with each other. We can also use other open source controls along with the PnP controls, and then we can integrate and then we can just implement in the SharePoint framework projects. Let us now dive into the code, how I have defined the pagination control. So the same ListView demo web part. So I have just created a new component called extend ListView demo. I'm passing in the same property, nothing else. So in the extend ListView demo, if you see here, so I'm just using the same case master, getting the items, all the other methods are same, even the on page update is same. And on the use effect, once the list items are changed, then it will be, the page update will be called. And you can see the same state variable. The only difference is I'm using a paging component from my common component library. So let me show you that what is it. And before that, instead of PnP pagination, this is the custom paging component where I am passing in the total items, how many items per page should be displayed, and what is the callback event should be called when the page changes, and what is the current page. And this is the paging component. Here I am just using pagination control from ReactJS Pagination. And these are all the properties that I am receiving it from the parent component. And there is one state which is called current page. So if you see here, this is the page change event for this control. So here I am just setting the current page number and then I am just calling the callback which I received from the parent component. When this component is loaded, I am just setting the current page as property.currentPage which I received from the property. And if you look at the design, so declare two containers div and then pagination, and then for the first page, last page, I have just defined the icons. So you can just change whichever icon you would like to use. And a couple of other styles I have designed, and on change I am just calling the page change, not the callback event. This is a page change which is declared here, and then in turn it will call the on page update which is received from the parent component. So if you see the styles, so to render a rounded icon, I have just created some styles, and I have also used theme colors. So whenever you change the theme, for example, if I am changing the theme to different colors, teal. So it should have an effect. So automatically the color change. So when I change the theme to different colors, automatically the color, it adapts to the selected theme. So for this to happen, I have just given the styles. So as I mentioned in my previous videos, so this is how you can refer the theme colors. In the runtime, automatically this attribute will be replaced with the current selected theme colors. So this is the simple style updates for this pagination. So it's a very simple demo how to use ReactJS Pagination along with the ListView, which is a PnP SPFx control. So we are just using an open source control along with the PnP SPFx control. So you can see how we can integrate it. So it's not only we depend on this PnP SPFx control, you can also use other third-party controls available. It's just a simple thing I want to explain you guys. I want to show you guys. So I hope you learned something new. Thank you for your time. If you really like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day. Cheers.